Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit down and relax, and enjoy some good old crochet talk. Well, hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to Monday Crochet Chat. I've already got my coffee. I've got me a new cup. I found this at the Dollar General. I think it was like $3. Isn't it cute? Make things happen. So yeah, so go ahead and grab you something to drink. Mine's good old black coffee. And sit back and relax. And let's look at what I have on my Monday Crochet Chat. Okay, I'm going to start this video off with a little joke. What did one yarn end say to the other? No, I'm afraid not. Okay, I just wanted to start it off with a little bit of humor this morning. So let's go ahead and see what I've been up to. So one of the things that I've been working on, oh yeah, this top that I'm wearing right here, this is one of my patterns. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Anyway, so one of the things that I'm working on, and I did put it to the side because then I was like, well, I don't know if I have anything to wear with it. But it's really pretty. It's my simple summer cardigan. And I was making it in this lavender. I don't know how well the lavender is coming off in the camera. But it's fleck yarn that you get from Michael's. And but yeah, it is really pretty. It's just I don't know, after I started making it, after I started working on it, then I was like, well, I don't know what I can wear with it. So I'm just putting it to the side for the moment, but I will get back to it. This is the project bag that I'm working out of. This is Jennifer Chapnett, handmade by her, and it was given to me from Nancy from She's Got Yarn Too. Thank you, Nancy. So I'm gonna put it back in the bag. So the next thing I want to show you guys is my sister Tanya made me a basket from my tutorial. And I'm so tickled over it. Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? She knew that I was looking for some little smaller baskets. So she crochets pretty tight. And so when each stitch basically that she did, she would pull and tighten it, do another stitch, pull and tighten. She did that all the way around this thing. I don't have patience for that. That's probably why I'm a loose crocheter. But isn't it gorgeous? It's just beautiful. Thank you so much, Tanya. I appreciate this. She came over to my house yesterday. She did a little bit of my diamond painting. I introduced it to her. I don't know if she's like as thrilled about it as I am, but she did a few. She does like the looks of it. She's just not sure about the process, putting the diamonds and stuff on there as much as I am. But hey, I got her hooked on this. Who knows? I might get her hooked on diamond painting. But anyway, I'm really proud of her. She made this for me. And in the camera, I think it looks like it's a dark blue, but it's actually turquoise. It's really turquoise, dark turquoise, but it's not blue. I don't know if maybe I'll show it up. It's still kind of, well, I don't know. I guess everybody's camera is different when you actually watch the video. I don't know how it's going to come out. And I just have some of my softy cotton yarn in there. You guys know that's my favorite yarn to make crochet wearables with. I love this yarn. In fact, I'm making something right now with it. So let me show that to you guys. Okay, so one of them is this Burnett Softy Cotton. Here it is. And it is just, like I said, it's my favorite. Golden is the color of this. It's 254 yards, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. I pretty much have it memorized. I've used it so much. The next color on this project is Sandstone. Oh, and these are a 3-weight, by the way. There's that. And the next color is Golden Haze. So I am working with these 3 colors together. So let me show you what I've got. This is going to be a crochet top. And because I've already started on the second panel. But there it is. See? The back, it's going to be like that. And yeah. So I'm working on the back side, and here's the back side so far. There. So this works up really fast. Now the back side won't have this right here. I did this just so that my neckline is not right there. If I didn't do it, the neckline would be up here. So I went ahead and I put it on me like this, and then I was like, okay, well, about right here is where I want my neckline. And so I just put a little stitch marker here, and then I just counted to make sure I had the same amount of stitches on both sides. And in my case, I had 18. So I just half double crocheted 18 on this side for about 3 rows, half double crochet 18 stitches on this side for about 3 rows. And that's all I did to make that, if you're ever curious of how that's made. And that kind of makes your front here so that your neckline is a little low. And you can make that as low as you want. I mean, you can have your neckline way down here if you want. It's just up to you. But I made mine right there, pretty much about where mine is that I have on. And my back side will just be solid. It won't have that. So it will fit about like the way that looks. So anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. I'm very excited about it. So I hope it looks as good on as I have it pictured in my head. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I was going to do this in a mint green, baby blue, and a white. And then at the last minute, I changed it to these colors. And you know me, I wanted the stitches nice and big, so I'm using a J hook, 6.0 millimeter crochet hook, because, and it's a 3-weight yarn, but I wanted these stitches to be nice and airy for summer. And I'm just going to wear a tank top underneath it. I don't know what color. I guess I need to go shopping, right? Go find me, I don't know. Anyway, so that's it right there. There it is up close. There's the bottom. Well, the mid bottom, I guess. And there's the bottom. So I may, after I get it all finished, oh, it will have slits. I plan on having a slit on the end. I'm not going to connect it all the way. And I may go ahead and put a single crochet edge around. I'm not sure if I even want that. I really like the edging the way it is now. I'll show you guys. Right there. I just really like that. So I don't know. I'll have to get it put together first. But this is so lightweight, guys. This, like I said, this is some of my favorite yarn. And I've been using the fire out of these. I have bought this yarn sometime last year, and I've been making so many outfits with it. Anyway, so that's what's on my hook. Okay, so yeah, that's what's on my hook. So let me show you this Van Gogh. I bought this from Amazon. It's another diamond painting. But I will show you guys in another video. I was sent a new craft day. Told me that I could pick out whatever I wanted on their website, and they would send it to me, and I could show it to you guys. And so, you know, it's all diamond painting and cross stitch and all the supplies that you would need. So I had a field day. I picked out 3 items, and I will show those in another video. And I've been working hard on that one because the picture that came with it, I plan on putting on this wall right here. And hopefully it will be in some of my videos. Okay, well, here's the one that I bought off of Amazon. And it's a Van Gogh. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. And I'm thinking about putting that back here. And here is all the supplies that come with. It came with all these. And this right here. And I can't remember. I think it may have come with some little sleeves, little clear sleeves, but I used them because my new craft day, it came with this kind of stuff too, but it didn't come with any clear sleeves. And so what I had in this package, was not enough to do then all of these. Anyway, so, but they did help. And so what I did is I went to Joann's and I bought 200 sleeves. I think they were $2.19 each. And one of them I got at 50% off, and the other one I got at 40% off. So, I mean, I paid less than $2 for 200 sleeves. And I just used a coupon for each one. But anyway, so I'll have enough sleeves to do this packet. But yeah, so it came with this stuff right here, and this was Amazon. I'll leave the link below if you're interested. But this is the beautiful painting. I just think it's gorgeous. So I'm really excited to do that. Okay, guys, let's do our 365 days of prayer. Light of approval. Indeed, by faith, our ancestors received approval. Hebrews 11:2. In the light of your face, O God, I see myself more clearly. It is by faith that I have been saved, not through anything I could have ever done. I could not talk my way into your favor. Your goodness is poured out over my life in abundance grace. Not because I did anything to deserve it, but because I am yours. I am in relationship with you through faith. Thank you, God, that this mystery is illustrated even in this very prayer. The very moment I turn to you in prayer, my faith is being exercised. There is nothing I could do to add or take away from what you've done. I couldn't talk you out of loving me. I won't stop turning to you, Lord. You are the best thing I've ever known. As I walk with you, fill me with your revelation knowledge that reveals who you are and what you are up to. May my faith grow so that I may be closer to you. That's all that matters. Are you trying to earn God's approval? That's a really good prayer / thought for the day. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.